Hey guys, welcome back to DS Technology. Today we are going to talk about speech recognition and its application. So let's talk about today's agenda. So first one is introduction, second one is requirement, and the last one is implementation. So the first one is introduction. Speech recognition is the ability of machine or program to identify words and phrases in a spoken language and convert them to a machine readable format. Or simply we can say it is a process to decode the human voice into text form. Or also voice recognition is commonly used to operate device without having to use of keyboard or mouse. Now the second one is requirement. So the requirement is all about library that are going to use in this tutorial. So before going to implementation part, we have to install that library so that we can use them in our implementation part. So let's open your command prompt. So type pip install PyAudio AUDIO. So this command helps you to install the PyAudio library, which is help to input the sound from the microphone. The next library is speech recognition. So for this pip install speech recognition. As you can see, the both of my requirement is already satisfied. So in this way you can install both of the library. If you have any problem during the installation of library, feel free to comment. I will try to reply your comment. Now let's talk about implementation part. Open your text editor. Here I am using Python, so you can use any text editor. First of all, we have to import our library, that is the speech recognition. So let's import it. Import speech recognition. Now we have to create an instance of recognizer so that we can take the input as a sound. So for this r equal to, so here we have to speech recognition as SR. Now here SR dot recognizer. Now with SR dot microphone as SOURC. Here we are going to take the input sound from our microphone, so we have to use SR dot microphone. Now we are going to apply some noise reduction method so that we can hear clear sound. For this, let's say R dot adjust for evident noise. So in here we are going to pass two things. First one is source and the second one is duration. So first one is source and the second one is duration. So duration equal to, I am going to press here 1 second. You can apply 1 or 2 seconds. So let's print some message so that it's display it is listening or not. So listening. Now I am going to use threshold. So audio. So for the threshold, R dot was threshold equal to 1. Now I am going to use a variable, that is AUDIO, audio equal to R dot listen. This function take the input and store in the variable audio. Now we have to use some try and exception so that we can handle the exception. So let's try. Give the any variable name. I am going to use my name is David equal to r dot recognizer. So r.recognize. Here you can see lists of the recognizer, that is the recognize Bing, recognize Google, recognize Cloud Google. So I am here going to use recognize Google. Now we have to pass the audio, that is the AUDIO. Sorry, AUDIO. Now print the audio. GAVID. Now we have to use some exception so that we can throw a message whenever it throw the error. So for this except, the first exception is sr.unknown hello error. Print could not recognize your sound. And the next exception is for the internet handling. So sr.request, sorry, not recognize, request error as e. Now print secure the next connection. Now let's run our code and see the output. Here the one error, that is audio.listen, missing the one error. So we have to pass here the listen, that is the source. Here so your source. Now let's run again. Hello, I am David. As you can see here, hello, I am David, it gives as a string form. So in this way you can implement speech to recognition. If you have any problem, feel free to comment. I will try to reply your comment. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the more updates.